Greetings from Berkeley, California. My name is Dana Fonteneau, and I am the founder and creator of The Wholehearted Musician. I bring together my background as a former concert cellist, faculty member at the San Francisco Conservatory of Music pre-college, business consultant, and performance career coach. I help people fulfill their human potential, personally, professionally, artistically, and even financially. I know that we're in a very, very difficult time, and I would love to help you find the resource within with deep emotional resilience so that you can adapt and innovate during a time of massive change. I'd like to help you find more resources emotionally and psychologically, and even improve your mindset so that you can find the opportunities during this massive time of change and disruption. It is an honor to join the team on the Exhale, and I please invite you to come and join my class on emotional resilience. Thank you so much.